My name is Anhar Salem. I am Yemeni-Indonesian artist and filmmaker, born and raised in Jeddah, and the name of my artwork is Media Fountain. So Media Fountain is kind of investigation on the Islamic representation online, and it explores ideas about identity and also media reproduction and also consumption in different communities online. So in this year edition, وَمَا بَيْنَهُمَا, seeing what is between heaven and earth. In my work, I also see what is between online and also reality. So it's really hard to catch one of those duality without talking about the distance between those things. We are still exploring many things in the time of acceleration where we are. So in my work, I explore how capitalism and also digital reproduction and globalization affected the Islamic representation. So since we are reproducing a lot of images, we have tools like AI, which also contain symbols and also values. And those values, you can see it in those images in a direct way and also in indirect way. For example, flowers could represent purity, and all of this exists in popular culture. So this kind of fluidity between images and values existed since long time in Islam and also in different religions, is this kind of syncretism between symbols and images. So in the artwork, I also invite people to experience individually how they consume images, but also having sort of familiar sensation of the spiritual practice of wudu. And for me, this is also somehow the transformation of spirituality in the digital age. So basically, when you are internet, you have a map, and this map is the algorithm, which is actually based in visual appearance and also languages and geography. And usually algorithms push the people to have very strict visual identity. And this push to some communities to have a very strict visual identity when they want to represent ideas or also their practices. So in this, I try, for example, to write Islamic content in Indonesia or in Urdu or also in Chinese, and then explore or see how people do their visual representation through their profile pictures and also their header or also their video reproduction.